Hello everyone. At the beginning of the video, Ping Mei is wondering whether these snails are really golden apple snails. Ping Mei is so curious, she wants to check it out right away. Now let's follow Ping Mei and get ready to laugh out loud. Haha.
哇，这里抓了2个小朋友哩，收了。哎，这还有2个小朋友嘞，这里又有2个小朋友的。啊，裤子遭打湿了，糟了。
Ping Mei has found so many snails. She is so happy. Ping Mei will cook them into a delicious meal for tonight's dinner.
不对，没有。走了，回去整好吃的。把洗洗。 到底是不是扶手了？你们的面试，好像是还不是？我都不晓得，懵了。
Ping Mei can't wait to start cooking, but she needs to clean the snails first before preparing them. She always puts in the effort to bring everyone the best meals.
这个要多搓洗几遍，这儿还要敷盐巴进来搓。啊，真香，真是的。 我说这当面去过2把韭菜，会炒那个螺蛳鱼。红龙，跟我一起去吧，走呗，走。
Ping Mei John Chuan Bisan Sang Chobuan. Ping Mei Korat Nyonguen Leongonland. Ping Mei Rat Diet Kash Kibian Mona Nai. Haha, Nin Sim Trong Kuai that Buiva Tranjai Nang Long.
回家，把韭菜剥出来，我的瓷器儿，哈哈哈。韭菜来洗这。这个切着。
Ping Mei has started cooking the snails. She always knows how to make delicious and interesting dishes. Ping Mei truly is a beautiful and skillful girl, isn't she, everyone? Ping Mei is sharing her adventure with her grandfather. She always wants to share her joy with her family. Ping Mei is truly a filial granddaughter. She and her grandfather are enjoying the delicious snails together. The family meal is so warm and happy.
崩到了。这个东西我觉得就是一定要煮熟，因为它跟那个黄鳝、小龙虾差不多嘛，都是寄生虫很多。
This video will hopefully bring you joy and relaxation. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.